show you the very easiest way ever to generate caption on your video editing. I'm using currently the version of Davinci. I think this is the Davinci 19 Studio, but yeah, that works only on the Studio version. Okay, but it's a great tool. Okay, it's a great tool. So the way you go is you go on the cut. Okay, on the cut, or you just go on the edit if you want. You select the video or the audio, and once you selected it, you go on the menu on the top, and you will see timeline. And on the timeline, you will see create subtitles from audio. So once you click on that one, you're gonna give you a few options. The language here will be whatever language that is supposed to be in or auto. In my case, that will be English. And you have few options, either subtitle, default, or teletext or Netflix type. And the maximum characters that you want per line is how long you want the video to be. You can leave it to 42 or reduce it to 20. And then if you want to have only on one single line, the subtitle, or on double line. And at that point, you can hit on create. And once you hit create, you're gonna do his thing, run everything. And by then you will be great. You will be ready for that. So for, by the way, for mine, I'm trying to record, to do the whole video to get a subtitle for the whole video. So I'm gonna go through it, but it's pretty much fast. It goes really quick. So you're gonna run through the whole thing, and once you have done so that you're ready, what you also do is that you can modify the subtitle, like the colors and so forth. So let's say, for instance, here I have this subtitle, okay, that I have here. It goes on this line here. So I have this one right here. So what I will do is once you select, so you will come over here on your section caption, on the captions. We have this caption style. Okay, the caption style. You want to go in here and you want to select the color, and then change the color, and then whatever you want to do with that. And then once this is done, you can also change the font family and then all that. So this is a really great thing. Now, when you render it, if you want the video to stay, the caption to stay on the video, when you go on the render over here, you have to make sure that you hit on export subtitle. Very important. And then the format is either burned into the video, meaning the video gonna come out with the subtitle already embedded inside, or you're gonna have separate file where you will have this file and then put inside YouTube or whatever. And that's how you go with those things. So I hope it helps you. Until then, you have a great day. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.